Hey everybody, hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you the best bodyweight exercise for each one of your major muscle groups. And then afterwards, guys, if you want to learn how to actually do each one of these exercises properly once and for all so that you can get results faster without destroying your joints and injuring yourself, I will show you how you can come and join my brand new 7-day bodyweight workshop 100% free. But let's get started by looking at these exercises. So there you go. Now, one of the biggest mistakes that I've seen people make when it comes to using bodyweight exercises to help them transform their body at home is that they simply don't do these exercises correctly. And even doing them just slightly wrong can be the difference between injuring yourself, injuring your joints, and actually getting results. And so what I've done is I've decided to create a 100% free 7-day bodyweight workshop where I am going to show you step by step how to do each one of these exercises that I've just shown you properly and correctly once and for all. And so if you want to learn how to do all of these exercises correctly, you can come and join me right now 100% free over at bodyweightboss.com. And as soon as you sign up, I'm going to send you your first 2 video tutorials within 5 minutes, and you can start learning how to do these exercises correctly right now today so that you can start getting results with them and stop injuring yourself. So once again, if you want to come and join me for the 7-day bodyweight workshop, pop over to bodyweightboss.com. I will see you guys over there.